Hey there, future plumbers. Have you ever wondered what happens to the water we use every day? It's a fascinating journey that starts right in our homes and ends up in places you might not expect. From the moment you turn on the tap to the final flush, water is on an incredible adventure. You know how important water is, right? We use it for so many things: drinking, playing, and keeping ourselves clean. It's a vital part of our daily lives. Without water, we wouldn't be able to do many of the things we love and need. We drink it, wash with it, and use it every day. From brushing our teeth in the morning to taking a bath at night, water is always there, helping us stay healthy and happy. It's like a trusty friend that never lets us down. But what happens after we flush the toilet? Have you ever thought about where all that water and waste goes? It's not just disappearing into thin air, there's a whole process that takes place. And it's more interesting than you might think. That's where things get interesting. The journey of our waste is a crucial part of the water cycle, and it involves some pretty cool science and engineering. It's like a hidden world beneath our feet, working tirelessly to keep things moving. Our waste needs to go somewhere, and that's where the amazing septic system comes in. This system is like a hidden hero, working behind the scenes to keep our environment clean and safe. It's a marvel of engineering that ensures our waste is treated properly. Think of it like a mini treatment plant right in your backyard. It processes all the waste and water, breaking it down and making sure it doesn't harm our surroundings. It's an essential part of our ecosystem, quietly doing its job. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. Plumbers and septic system workers are the unsung heroes who make sure everything runs smoothly. So next time you flush, remember the incredible journey your waste takes, and the people who make it all possible. They ensure our world stays clean and healthy, one flush at a time. Imagine this: you're getting ready for school, brushing your teeth, when suddenly, yuck, the sink won't drain. You try the toilet and it's even worse. Water is backing up and it smells like something died. What's going on? Your septic system is telling you it's full and needs some attention. It's time to call the professionals. Just like firefighters respond to an alarm, septic superheroes arrive in big trucks to save the day. These skilled technicians know exactly how to handle the stinky situation. They hook up giant hoses to your septic tank, like connecting a spaceship to a fuel station. Get ready for some serious suction power. Section 4. How does that big tank work anyway? Let's dive into the fascinating world of septic tanks and uncover the secrets behind their operation. These often overlooked systems are marvels of engineering and biology, working tirelessly beneath our feet. That big tank in your yard isn't just a holding tank, it's like a little ecosystem. Septic tanks are an essential part of many residential and rural properties, especially in areas where centralized sewage systems are not available. They play a crucial role in managing household wastewater efficiently and safely. By breaking down waste, they help protect the environment and public health. When wastewater enters the tank, solids settle at the bottom, forming sludge. This sludge layer is composed of organic matter and other heavier particles that sink due to gravity. Over time, this layer can build up and needs to be periodically removed to maintain the tank's efficiency. If left unchecked, the sludge can overflow, leading to system failure and potential contamination. Lighter stuff like grease and oils float to the top as scum. This scum layer acts as a barrier, preventing lighter materials from escaping the tank and entering the drain field. It's important to avoid flushing non-biodegradable items and excessive grease down the drain, as they can contribute to the buildup of this layer. Proper usage and mindful disposal habits can significantly extend the life of your septic system. The clearer water in the middle is slowly released into the drain field. This process is known as effluent discharge. The drain field, also called the leach field, consists of a network of perforated pipes buried in gravel-filled trenches. The effluent is filtered through the soil, which naturally removes harmful bacteria, viruses, and nutrients, ensuring that the water re-entering the groundwater system is clean and safe. This natural filtration process is crucial for maintaining the quality of our groundwater. The septic truck sucks up the sludge and scum, preventing it from overflowing and causing a big mess. Regular maintenance, including pumping out the tank every 3 to 5 years, is essential to keep the system functioning properly. Neglecting this maintenance can lead to costly repairs and environmental hazards. So, the next time you think about that big tank in your yard, remember it's doing a lot more than just holding waste. It's a vital part of your home's wastewater management system. By taking care of it, you're ensuring a healthier environment for everyone. Section 5. Out with the old, in with the new. In this section, we will explore the process of replacing an old septic system with a new one. This is a crucial task that ensures your home's plumbing system remains efficient and safe. A well-functioning septic system is essential for maintaining the hygiene and comfort of your living environment. Sometimes your septic system needs more than just a cleaning. It might be time for a complete overhaul. Over time, septic systems can become outdated, inefficient, or even hazardous. Regular inspections can help identify when it's time for a replacement. Ignoring these signs can lead to more significant problems down the line, including potential health hazards and costly repairs. When your septic system is beyond repair, it might need a complete makeover. This involves removing the old, worn-out tank and installing a new, modern system that meets current standards and regulations. Upgrading to a new system can also improve the overall efficiency of your home's plumbing, reducing water waste and energy consumption. Just like building a house, installing a new septic system is a step-by-step process. Each stage is crucial to ensure the system functions correctly and efficiently. From excavation to installation, every step must be carefully planned and executed. This meticulous approach guarantees that the new system will serve your home reliably for many years to come. First, the old tank is carefully removed. This involves excavating the area around the tank and safely lifting it out of the ground. It's a delicate process that requires precision and expertise to avoid damaging surrounding structures. Proper disposal of the old tank is also essential to prevent environmental contamination. Then, a new tank is put in its place, connected to your pipes. The new tank is carefully lowered into the prepared hole, ensuring it is level and properly aligned. Workers then connect the necessary pipes, making sure all connections are secure and leak-free. This step is vital to ensure the system operates without any issues, and surrounded by fresh soil. The final step involves backfilling the area around the new tank with fresh soil. This not only stabilizes the tank but also helps with drainage and prevents any future settling issues. Proper backfilling ensures the longevity and stability of the new septic system. It's like giving your house a brand new plumbing system. A new septic system can significantly improve the efficiency and safety of your home's plumbing. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, providing peace of mind and ensuring your home remains a safe and comfortable place to live. With a new system, you can avoid unexpected breakdowns and enjoy a more reliable plumbing infrastructure. Section 6. Keeping your septic system happy. Just like your body needs healthy food and exercise, your septic system needs some TLC to stay in tip-top shape. Avoid pouring harsh chemicals down the drain as they can harm the good bacteria that break down waste. Don't overload the system with too much water at once. And remember to schedule regular checkups with those septic superheroes to keep everything running smoothly. Section 7. Septic Smarts equals happy home. Understanding how your septic system works is like having a secret superpower. You can impress your friends with your knowledge of wastewater treatment and become a champion for responsible plumbing. By taking care of your septic system, you're not only protecting your home, but also the environment. Remember, a little septic smarts goes a long way in keeping our planet clean and healthy. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fun and educational content.